Hello, my friend Bob Brown here. Just wanted to take a real quick moment to give a big shout out to my friend Gavin Mountford. I came across some of Gavin's videos right towards the end of last year, and it was actually his 6-step sponsoring sequence that I just happened to come across. And so I started watching his videos, and I was really blown away by the quality of the content that he had put in this 6-step sponsoring sequence videos that he was just giving away. And it caused me to actually want to get more and more. So as I started to consume more and more of his content, really seeing the fact that it was over-the-top value. Gavin is always giving above and beyond what you would ever expect. And so that was the thing that really drew me to Gavin. I've been through a lot of courses over the years, and yet this quality of the content that Gavin was putting out was just amazing. So it caused me to jump into a couple of Gavin's boot camps and his challenges where I started to grow as well. And then because the content was so amazing, the things that I was learning, I was beginning to apply, I was seeing some growth. I actually went ahead and purchased Gavin's Networking Superstars Academy. And in that, wow, it was just amazing, because as soon as I got into that, over 13 modules in there, step by step, A to Z, on how you can actually set his process up and get started with a system of prospecting and generating leads and converting leads and all of that, one step right after another of how easy it is to actually do this. And so since going through Gavin's training, it has really helped me to focus in on what I'm doing in my business. See, beforehand I was really much like a shotgun blast. I was all over the place. And now, since going through Gavin's training, I've become a sharpshooter. I've been able to focus, and I've had a Facebook group for over 2 years, only had 25 people in it, but since going through Gavin's training, I was able to revamp that, and now I have over 150 people in that group. We're starting to bring more people in. I've generated over 300 leads, starting to earn some money right now, and I'm really excited about what the rest of this year is going to bring. Gavin also helped me to set up my first mini chat recruiting Autobot through Facebook Messenger, and I'm really excited about that, because now I've got an automated system to actually bring people through, get them involved in the group, then walk them through and share my presentation with them using this Autobot. And so you need to get a hold of Gavin's 6-step sponsoring sequence if you haven't already. It is a great tool. All of Gavin's training is great. You're going to learn so much out of it, and it's going to benefit you just in a huge way. So I look forward to seeing you in his group, and I will talk to you real soon. Thanks again, Gavin. You're a real blessing, brother. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye.